Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So let's start today's video. Today's GFG POTD is about minimum absolute difference in BST. So given a binary search tree having these nodes, the task is to find the minimum absolute difference between any two nodes. Okay, so today we will try to solve this particular question using two methods. So let's start solving this problem using the first method. So what we are going to do in the first method, we will first find out the in-order traversal, and then we will find the absolute difference of each node, absolute difference of the two nodes, and then we will just return the difference, which will have the minimum value. Okay, so let's start solving this. So what is the in-order traversal of this particular tree? So in-order traversal follows a particular pattern, that is left node, then the root node is traversed, and then the right node. So what is the leftmost node here? It is 20, isn't it? Okay, so let's store this traversal part in an array. So 20, then what is the root? It is 30. It is 30. Then we don't have any right node. So what is the root here? It is 50. Now in the right subtree, what is the leftmost node? It is 60. So store it here. What is the root node? It is 70. And what is the right node? It is 80. So this is the in-order traversal. Now we have stored this in an array. So we need to find out the absolute difference between the two nodes. So what will be the absolute difference between these two nodes? 30 minus 20 will be 10, right? Okay, and we will consider and we will use a variable called mini, and we will compare the minimum value with the current absolute difference of the two nodes. Okay, so we don't have any minimum value right now, so we will initialize it with the int max. So what is the minimum value? It will be 10. Now we will compare 30 comma 50. What is the minimum value? What are we getting? It is 20, but we already have a lesser value, so no need to change. Now what is the minimum value? 50 and 60. uh, so what is the difference? It is 10. We already have a value that is 10, so it will remain unchanged. Now again 60, 70, what will be the difference? It will be 10, so again the value will remain unchanged. Now 70 and 80, what is the minimum value? It will be 10, so the value will be the value will still remain unchanged, and at last we will return this minimum value, and the output will be displayed here as 10. So let's implement this. So first we will take a vector called graph. Now in order root and graph, for storing the values, void so if root is null, then just return nothing to do. Now so in order traversal states that the leftmost node, then the root node, and then the rightmost node should be traversed. So in order, first the left node, then the root node. So we will push it into our vector array. So in order, at last root right, we will take the right nodes as well. So now what? Now we will declare mini int max and an answer which will also have int max. Now Okay, we have used declaration mistake. Okay, so we are getting correct output here. Now, yeah, it's correct. So problem solved successfully. So I've created one Telegram group, so you can join that. There I will be posting all these solutions, so you can get all these solutions from there. Okay, so here is the code. So let me explain with the help of this code. So we will also try to find the solution using in-order traversal, but in a different way. Okay, so let's find out if root equals to null. So this declaration has been done before the function definition. When we will implement the code, we will see. Okay, now let's do this. So if root equals to null, is it null? No, it is not null. Okay, so now this will take place. So root left. What is root left? 30. Is our root null? No. Then move forward. Root left. Yes, we have a left. Do we have any left of 10? No, it is. No, we don't have. So return. Now these steps. Is our previous not equals to null? Yes, it is null because we have declared earlier as null. So let me denote it as -1. Now, so this step will not occur right now. Now we will update this previous to root. What is our root here? It is 10. So 10. Now this step will happen. So what is the right side? Right node of 10. We don't have any right node. Okay. So now it will move to 30. Is our prev not equals to null? Yes, it is not equals to null because now we have previous value as 10. So what is the minimum value? We need to find out the minimum value now. So absolute difference of 30 minus 10. What is the absolute difference here? It is 20, right? So let's update this mini to 20. Right now it is 20. Now, now let's update this previous value to root. That is 30. 30. Now what? Now in order root right. Root right. 30 is our root. So what is the right side? We don't have any right. We don't have any right. So what to do? Return. Then it will point to 60. So is our prev not equals to null? Yes, our previous is not equals to null. We have a value that is 30. So what is the absolute difference between between these two values? That is 60 minus 30. It is 30 again. Not again. It is 30. Since the minimum value is 20 already, so it remains unchanged. Now we will update the previous value to root. So what is the root now? It is 60. Right? Okay. Now do we have a right node? Yes, we have. It is 90. So move to it. It is not null. Yes, it is not null. So in order traversal, now this will happen. So root left. Do we have any left side? No. So what will happen when we get a null value? It will return a. So it will return. It won't return anything. Uh, okay. Now, if prev not equals to null, prev is not equals to null. We have 60. So what will be the min? So now we will calculate the minimum value. Our minimum value will be what? 90 minus 60 because the previous value was 60 and the current value that is our root is 90. So 90 minus 60 is 30, but we have a minimum value which is lesser than 30. So it again remains unchanged. So this is how we will get our minimum value that is 20, and here you can see that the output is 20. Let's start implementing this particular question. Int mini int max node star prev equals to what? Null. We will pointing it to null. After that it will get updated. Okay, so what next? We will have a function named as in order. There I will pass root. Now if root equals to null, then return is in order root left. Now we need to we need to see if our prev value is not null, then we need to calculate the minimum. And how we will get this? By using the absolute difference between the two nodes. So root, and then update the previous value. Now in order root right, okay, so just call this function and return what? We will return the mini. Okay, it's telling me to refresh. Okay, so now let's compile this code. Yes, it is successfully compiled. Now let's submit. Yes, so it is solved. Okay, so now let's end this video here only. Um, so please do subscribe and hit that like button to get more such content, and share your thoughts below in the comment section about the explanation today. Thanks for watching.